After my students complete the program, many of them go on to work. So from the certifications they earn in our program, they're able to go on to some entry-level marketing positions in sales typically. Other students will move on to a 2-year or 4-year university degree.
The OSCC marketing program means a lot to me. Actually, it's showing me plenty of ways to use my marketing skills in the real world. Actually, our instructor, Mr. William Dungan, he actually was in sports marketing before he started teaching here. So with him in that, he has a lot of connects I can get through. He has a lot of skills he teaches me from his own life.
Well, marketing for me, it means everything. Everything that we do, we use, it wouldn't be possible without marketing. Everything that we use is because of a good advertisement. Something was placed in the right shelf at the right price. That's all marketing.
Well, for my students focusing on entrepreneurship, marketing and sales, there's a vast array of opportunities. We have some students that like to go right off and start up their own businesses, or they currently have a business that's running, and they just want to know how they can perfect it and learn ways to be more profitable. Other students have that entrepreneurial spirit, but they don't know exactly what they want to do with it yet. So they're spending more time trying to figure that out.